let's implement a linked list from scratch. And we are going through this article. If I leave the article link in the chat if you want to follow it through. And the article is fairly simple and it is straightforward, and it is making us to like kind of make the mistakes and learn our way through. And if I see what I am doing right now, wow, the navigation became tough after this point. And I'll just cargo run it for once and check whether everything is working fine. I didn't use box, probably better to use it. Yeah, box is way better to use it. Last time I remember implementing Hoffman coding, and box turned out to be one of the features which I really like in Rust. Okay, let's just start. So we're gonna make a public struct which is of linked list, and which is gonna have type T, because we are not like we are not doing a single type here. Option T will be the value stored here, and public next will be option, and it's going to be a box, and it will have linked list type T running inside it. Fairly simple. So that's what going into our mind initially. So we'll start with naive definition. We'll have a singly structure. Okay, and okay, if we remove the box from our definition, the compiler will throw the following error. Yes, it will throw the following error because we are allocating a memory in the heap and not specifying how much the memory will take up. And if I'm not wrong, what I understood from box is that it's like box basically makes a specific memory size inside your heap so that your memory will not leak by default, which usually happens in other languages. And the leakage is collected by garbage collector, and in this case Rust doesn't have a garbage collector, so we need boxed struct so that our entire extravaganza thing which we are doing right now will be contained in a specific place. Okay, let's see. Adding an element to the left side. Let's also okay, let's first define our test implementation on our first method, and this will fail to compile, but it's fine. Okay, let's start writing tests too. Okay, instead of main they want us to write test. Super fine with it. Yeah, people who are watching it in YouTube, you can find the thing funny, because not funny, useful. More tests, because you learn to write unit tests inside this. Super. And I am modularizing everything here. I am including everything. Okay, hashtag test equals to fun test linked list push push left. Okay, hope so this makes sense. Okay, let a mute yeah, list equals to of type linked linked list list I32 equals to, it's of type linked list, linked list, and I32 will be the type, and it's gonna be a new thing. And list dot push is something which we have to implement one, and I'm gonna say okay, push assert equal it's equal rude here, assert equal list dot collect. That's something which I have to implement vec. So I'm taking all the okay, let's just say I am collecting one here. So if I run the cargo test, it should fail because nothing is there. So yeah, let's go see the doc once more. Cool. Okay, let's first define our test implementer. Yeah, the constructor, we create a new block to our below struct define to define an implementation for the specific types. We'll implement it for i32 as this makes an effort significantly simpler for Rust beginners like we are. Yes, I am Rust beginner. I am a noob in Rust, man. I don't have shame about it. So all I have to do is I'm implementing a trait which has i32. Okay, and I'm adding new inside it, and it's gonna return list i32. And yeah, the struct is simple. Let's give it a shot. Let's first try to make this workable, then we'll look for the understanding part. KD list i32. So I'm not making generics out of it. Fuck. Okay. So pub function new will be the implementer, and its return type will be linked list of type i32. I'm specifically making it simple so that I can understand. Linked list val of none. Okay, next will be none. Awesome. So what will this signify for me? So as you notice, the constructor is just a static method that has no reference to the self struct and returns a new instance of a linked list with a new field and set to none. So one of the few things can be handled with field set to none, and we added doc test above the constructor which shows how to use the constructor. We'll call our package mini linked list, and we'll reference the create name in example to showcase a public create API. If you comment out the previous test that doesn't compile, we can run cargo test to execute this doc test, yielding our first. Man, what the fuck am I supposed to do now? Okay, compile mini linked list, and okay, not something which I'm looking for. So push left function inserted head is not happening, I guess. Push left. I might have to check the thing out of my. Okay, wait. Is there a push left function and push right function? Push left. Yeah, you might annotate this. Okay. Okay, pop left. Okay, we are doing only lefts today, so I might have to update my document a bit. Okay, yeah. Where are you, bitch? Sorry. Yeah, tail will be there. This will be tail. Deleted tail. And yeah, 3 steps. That's fucked up. I will make one more step called conclusion. This will be the juice of the episode, if I'm not wrong. And yep. So 17 we started inserted tail, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell. Hey, Rob, you're still sticking around. Nice, man. Nice, man. Okay. So we did a new construct, and if I run it right now, cargo run, and the number of error, unexpected token. Fuck you. Okay. Unexpected for what reason? Okay. Okay, did I do some mistake there, which is annotating me that I'm wrong? Oh, there was supposed to be 3. Sorry. Okay, that thing is fixed. Cannot define inherited implement to try outside the crate where type is defined and implement a trait new instead of. Okay. Seems like there are no such field. There's a couple of things which I have to handle right now. List mini linked list equals new i32. Create an empty linked list that may hold i32 value. Example. Hmm. Merely linked list of I32. Why do I think this is a bad idea? Running test, result okay, pass, failed, 0, doc mini test. Not sure. Okay. I don't understand why this is an important. Like, we can create a new block with our struct define an implementation for specific type. We'll implement it for I32 to make it an effort significantly simpler for Rust beginners like we are. Okay. As you can notice, the constructor is just a static method that has no reference to its self constructor, the self structure, and returns a new instance of a linked list within the field set to none. Okay. We added the doc test above the constructor, which shows how to use the constructor we called our package mini linked list. Okay, what does doc test mean? Doc test. Okay, this is not something which I'm familiar with. The doc test. By any chance, Rob, are you familiar with doc test in Rust? Documentation test. Thus, you to have certain items only appear in collection data case, and you can utilize doc without forcing it. So if I use doc test, how do I use doc test? Let's see. Uh, okay. So create an empty linked list that may hold I32 values. Okay. Hashtag example. Oh, I like it. It's like a test, but it's a comment. I kind of hate it, but it's cool. Yeah, I understand. I'm coming to an understanding why you hate it. Man, too much effort to write a list equals to mini linked list, like list of I32 32 new. Okay, I guess I have to do this to make it work. Cargo test. If I run test now, okay, I don't see anything happening here. I might have done some mistakes. Let's see where I'm screwing it up. How do I run documentation tests? Okay, function kind of had. Okay, cargo test, run test, document test. Fuck. So I'm just supposed to write cargo test, execute this doc test. Execute this doc test. How do I execute this doc test? Okay, cargo test running 0, test passed 0, result okay, running test okay, and fuck. Okay, let's look at it how it. Hey, hi Neela dude. Welcome to the chat. If your first time chatter, we are stuck here, so have fun. Okay, our push left function. Okay, our push left function will something. Yeah, I'm familiar with push left, but I wanna know how the hell do you implement it? Okay, let's see. Yep. Man, too many errors, and I might not be able to do the entire thing. I guess I should implement it inside it, right? Yeah, I'm learning it right now. I'm trying to implement an entire linked list from scratch, so not working out that good. You can help me by hitting that follow because I recently lost one follower. I don't know who unfollowed me, but I just feel sorrow about it. I might have said it in last stream too. Okay. Okay. Next equals to sum, and I'm doing sum hell lot of times. Box new self, and yes, there are hell lot of errors. and which I'm not sure if I can fix it. But the only agenda of today's stream is to understand Rust in a better sense. Okay, missing such field as head, tail, len, alloc, and mark. I don't understand. These are just warnings, not errors, right? Yeah. So I guess okay, there is supposed to be a semicolon. That's an error. You know, I changed my colors. I changed my color scheme recently, and I'm not able to find on the implement. You should leave implement the linked list. Hmm. I see different implementation in this documentation. If I'm not wrong, this guy specifically mentioned I32 built-in linked list. Hmm. So yeah, I guess the author of this particular document or like this article wanted us to first try out our types in I32, then should delete the first line. First line, yeah. Hmm. Cargo check if there are okay. There are too many errors. Okay. Seems fine. Something is happening. Not sure why. Let's see the bigger picture once entire implementation part is done. If you compile this, you'll get this value that error that use of mood list. Do I get that error? Cargo test. Hmm. Okay, I'm getting weird errors. I'm getting really weird errors. As your struct and use implement linked list. You should also have got linked list as your struct and you are implementing. Okay, I let me check. Okay. I guess I screwed up at this point a bit. Let's see. A test. But the number of errors are not going down. Okay, list. Okay, cargo build. Man, cargo build. Okay, okay, not found in scope. Implement. This is your struct to link list. No. Okay, linked list. Sorry. Man, I completely fucked that part up. My LSP is so good, I keep forgetting about this. My type was causing me things. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Cannot find the value k. Things are seemingly better now. Main function not found in the correct linked list. Consider adding a main function. I don't care about that. Test seems to be working fine. Where are the test part? Okay, cargo test. Yeah, I see push dot left method not found in the list. That's one error which we are familiar with. And collect is not okay. Collect is not an iterator. That's also cool. We are getting two errors. Okay, where am I importing linked list? Oh, fucking LSP, dude. Fucking LSP. I did not import it. Okay. Let's see. Linked list is not an iterator. Okay, wait. Where am I getting this thing? Linked list I32. 32. Okay, I guess we are doing fine. Man, Neil, you're awesome, dude. I guess I found one more friend. Yep, let's see. What are we screwing up? Linked list is not an iterator. I know. Method collect not found in the struct because it doesn't satisfy linked list I32 iterator. Yes. And list collect and collect it in a vec. Yo, this part. I guess I'm screwing it up something around here. List dot. So this is something which I did not implement yet, and following the trade bounds are not satisfied, which is required by mute. So yeah, I muted my list. I remember it. And linked list. Okay, let's see. Linked list equals to list is of type what? Linked list I32 and equals to linked list I32, and which is having new, and I'm pushing in 1 year, and I'm asserting my dominance here if I'm not wrong. But yeah, so those seems to be the things that are supposed to work. Okay, let's go ahead and see the what article has to reveal for us. So okay, self.node. Am I doing implementing this part right? Okay, let's see the part where I might have screwed up a bit. The function new, this seems to be working fine, and for some reason I find this document test cases idiotic, so I don't want to implement them anymore. Fuck it. Method collect not found in the struct, but it doesn't okay, not found in the struct because it doesn't satisfy linked list I32 iterator. Yeah, I can figure that out later. Okay, doc constructor, no, don't want it. And let's see if I'm doing the box shit properly. So I'm having a public function push left, and which has mutable self reference, and the value is I32, integer 32 bit variant, and left node equals to linked list I32. Awesome. And which has the value of sum x if sum if I'm not wrong. The option type C. Where are you? Where is the documentation for sum, dude? Why the hell? Okay, sum stable future implementation. Could you guys just define me sum? What the fuck sum means? Because I never heard of that word before, but I think sum means if there is some value extract out of it, or else it will return some kind of error which is understandable by Rust compiler, if I'm not wrong. Because this x can be anything, and it can be null too, which is not allowed in Rust. So that might be the reason. Not sure, but like you can point it down to me. Yup. Yeah. You type your. It can be interpreted as some value. Yes. Awesome. Uh, okay. Let's see. Next part. And the point where we are like stuck right now. Rust ownership safety system prevents us from doing this when we okay, the original pointer here is called linked list, okay, becomes invalid. Right now we can't have two owners of self simultaneously. When we did next sum box, okay, self, we moved the ownership from self to somewhere else. So our Rust is serious about their values, man, like serious about handling the data. So damn serious that it scares the fuck out of me whenever I want to write something in Rust. It's just scary. I guess it's just because I'm starting it out right now. Could we try borrowing instead? No, it doesn't help. We are effectively changing the memory address of the heap in the last line. The compiler gives us back the following. So wait, try borrowing instead. I don't. Okay. So borrowing doesn't work. And naive solution is instead says Planika, if you keep it, you'll get hang of it. Yes, I'm I'm giving my utmost dedication towards it, but seems like not the best use of everything, man. But yeah, I have fun writing Rust every now and then. Okay, naive solution is instead of relaxing your public API, make sure it returns a new list instead. Hmm. I guess so. I guess so. I'm taking your word for it, man. If I don't find it awesome, I'll bloody call you on Discord and screw you up. Hey, by the way, we have Discord channel which the current members are me and Rob, just me and Rob. You can find the Discord link in my about page, which I'm pretty sure will be the dumbest thing you do in your life because one, I don't know how to use Discord. Two, Rob just teaches me every damn thing there is, so I'm stupid. I don't know how to use Discord, man. Like, I'm on serious note. My college days where people tried to teach me how to use Discord so that they can communicate with me better, and I am so bad at social media that mostly get screwed by my friends because of it. And people usually say get some social life in tact, and from my side, I don't have any. Sorry, but I don't have any. Okay, let's see. So instead of yeah, I get that a lot. I'm funny, but sometimes I'm so stupid that you would laugh on me. Instead of fucking hell LSP, fucking hell LSP, I don't want you to import me. I don't want your extra contribution towards this shit, man. Okay, what I do? Okay, instead of self equals to node, I can just return node. If I'm not wrong, this shouldn't throw me an error. And instead of doing list equals to, I can do this. Okay, that's a cheap ass solution, but should work. Cargo. Yo, if you feel that I'm funny, go to my Discord and see my first few chats with Rob. I actually asked him many stupid questions there. You can just, you know what? I'll show it to you. Yeah. Did you join my Discord? Like, I'll just send you my link so that you will see the stupidity. You can unfollow after that if you feel like. Uh, Copy. Yep. Try to join in. You'll feel how dumb I can be. Okay, cargo test. Okay, what the fuck? List.collect is not working for some reason. What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? Hey, some fucking thing happened that did I just fry my one of my systems that something fell, I'm sure. Okay. A collect doesn't exist, you need to first need to implement it or just use a loop. Hey, sup, mate. Okay, I guess I can search in this thing. Okay, collect is not implemented, so can I find something? Okay, wait, collect. Bloody hell. Okay, pub function collect. A small extra or collect function. Yes, this seems to be the problem. I did not implement it and I'm trying to call it. How fucking idiotic am I? But yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? Using annotates. Okay, where is Mr. Collect? Fuck. Okay, wait. Yeah. So, should the collect function be inside the implement? I don't think so, but yeah, let's just create it for say pub function collect, and collect will what have self. That's what it can have. Vec. It's gonna return a vec of I32. and let mute result result, bloody hell, mutable result equals to vec of I32 new. I don't know why I'm making so many typos today. If self dot next is none, return result. Okay, don't I need to use okay, I don't think so. Let mute node equals to self dot next dot unwrap, cause yes, unwrap. And okay, for some reason I'm using unsafe. Let's see why are we using. Okay, a small extra or collection function. Let's implement our helper collect function inside the same implement block we have done before. We added an inner function. I'll go over the details above and summarize, push it to the elements to the vector so we can test the behavior of a list. Okay, what we are doing is like we are having a mutable result if the result is like if this reference, can I call it reference or like self? If self dot next is none, return the first part, and if not the case, let mute node equals to self dot next dot unwrap. I'm unwrapping this next node, and I'm using unsafe. I don't know what unsafe is, but okay, let's see. Result dot push node as mutable. Okay, I'm trying to push the node as mutable value unwrap. Okay, I'm taking in the node and using as mutable and pushing in value by unwrapping it inside result. Reason why Rust is complex. If I'm not wrong. Okay. Oh, sorry. I forgot to update this part. It's not 38 anymore. It's 39 subscribers. Robbie, we are growing, baby. We are bloody growing. Okay, where the fuck? Okay. This way we can now have 2 unit tests passing. We are ready to implement stack. And the best part is that the stack is probably not required and probably not require any unsafe calls. It leaves that as an okay, I'll leave that as an exercise to you. Fuck you. Okay. Yeah, Rob or Neil, like, can you just clarify me why the fuck unsafe? Like, what is unsafe? Like, I don't understand the concept of unsafe. I'll write the code down for it. I can just say okay. Man. Okay, unsafe. I don't know what it means. Result dot push. Am I saying that it's unsafe because that there is a possibility that memory leak can happen inside it? Cause node dot as mute dot value cause which is unwrapped, might be something, might not be something, while node as mute dot next, oh fucking hell, next is some, which okay this is a lot longer. Yeah, we'll go through that once I make this work because my OCD started to kick in. I somehow want to make this work. So some progress is the only way I'm leaving this. Got it. So yeah, this seems to be a vague tutorial, but that the guy who wrote it has had some effort inside it, man. Like I is handling with pointer. Sometimes the compiler can't say if the pointer is valid or so. You need to ensure that that is okay. I got it. I Actually, that I saw that doc like too many lists, and it seemed interesting, but it is quite longer than my initial streaming period. Like I stream for a certain duration, and after that I leave, and I just don't wanna make you guys hang around with me and see no progress. So some progress in me and some progress in you will help me. That what I'm doing is like helpful. Next, dot unwrap. If I'm not wrong, result dot push node as mutable dot value. I'm doing it again, unwrap, pushing it again. Okay, missing type struct vec I32 found unit type. Missing type, what do you mean? As mute, next is some, I don't think. Okay, because okay, expected I32 mismatch type expect struct and found unit. I'm not returning anything as of now, so wait. So the return will be here, return result. Guess that should solve the error. Cannot move the mutable reference move occurs because value has option, okay, which does not implement the copy trait. Screw it. As mute there as you're gonna read from it. Okay, wait. Even that seems fair. Like, why do I need as mute when I can just read from it? I'm just reading from it, and this seems dumb. Even I should have thought about it, man. So wait, all this bogus about mute because I'm not mutating anything there. Unsafe block warning, unsafe on by default. Okay, you got it. Can't move from self.next, which is behind the shared reference move occurrence, has type. Okay, wait, this is supposed to throw me an error if I'm not wrong. Argo test. Yes, it's screwing. I can't I just okay, I want to see how many errors there are to makely safely move it. Remove this mute. Yeah, even this sounds stupid like right now. Where? No, I need this mute for some shitty reason if I'm not wrong. And that's not my main concern right now. Move due to this. New, okay, self.next move due to this method call. Mutable node, where am I using? Okay, let's see. Node equals to self.next.unwrap, and I am doing nothing much after that. Self.mute.result equals to vec, and it's just an vec. And it's like I'm just iterating through all the nodes and trying to fetch values and inserting them into result, and this for some reason is as tough as it can get. Fuck you. Fuck. This is okay, that's it, and we can get our unit test passing now. We are ready to implement. Implement what, you fuck? Okay, why the hell, man? I am as much as confused as you guys are, if you see. So he just gave me like I get the part where a result is mutable. Fuck it, yes, it's mutable. And if self dot next is none, return result found it. Let mutable node equals to self dot next dot unwrap. I don't think I need mutable node, and I can just use value as a copy if I can, if I'm not wrong. Do I need mute here? Okay, self which is behind a shared reference move occurs. So okay, which is behind a shared reference. Which is behind a shared reference. Which is behind a shared reference. Did he do something in between this which I am not familiar, which I am not seeing as of now? Cause wait, not pop left. I don't want pop right now. Using unsafe. Where was I? Using annotated lifetime. Where was I? Okay. Okay, this is where I was stuck. Using annotated lifetimes. You might be thinking that maybe we need another struct to hold the head inside for an instance. We might try this and we don't try to mute self but directly, but just self dot next. Okay, let's see. So push dot left and self dot next is none, and let node equals to linked list I32 and some value and none. Okay, I'm pushing it to left and self dot next equals to some box node. Okay, else node linked list. Is it because my push is completely different from what it expects in the last, and collect is written for something which is on this lines? I guess so. I guess using unsafe rust is something which I'm looking forward to. So let's just implement that part and try to see if collect works on that. Okay, where is unsafe rust now? Unsafe rust now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, unsafe rust might want me to change more things than I require. Use core pointer no non null. Okay, and this guy is telling me to change my linked list option from box to non null. Non null. Okay, doesn't it throw many errors? I'm not sure. And let's try. Okay, wait. If I'm using. Okay, how the fuck? Instead of using box type, we'd be using non null. This is one way we can access raw pointers in Rust. Are this something which you are working with? Like Rob, I remember you mentioning the topic raw pointers. And this is bloody messed up. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. All the days I spent, I can't just implement a linked list in Rust, man. Fuck. Okay, let's see. Push left. Push left. If push left works out, push left. Allocate on heap. Okay, let's read the article completely now. I am giving, instead of using box type, we'd be using not null, which is one way to access raw pointer. We can then create a box and use box.leak to get its memory address in a way that will outlive our current function definition. Q. Okay. Let's first handle the case our initial list is empty, and let's say allocate on heap, let node equals to box new linked list I32, and next is none, and value is some value. Okay, if self dot next is none, our list is empty. Take control over the raw pointer, let pointer equals to not null linked list I32 box leak node into. Yeah, I have some understanding of C pointers. C pointers are easier compared to what Rust is offering me right now. Because in C, we had something like oh damn hell, fuck man. Yeah, and see the pointer was something like a plain as memory address. Like if you take a node, this will be the value, this will be the address, and address will be the actual address, and I can play around with it more comparatively to Rust. And I can just say address to the next node, and this will be the address to the next node, which is fairly simple. But Rust is not allowing me to access the next memory address because it's unsafe. Fuck. Yeah, I understand raw pointers are just like C, but raw pointers, I I don't know, man. Like it just feels wrong for me. But yeah, let's see what it offers. Okay, so self dot next is none. Our list is empty, and we are taking a pointer. Okay, pointer which is okay point. Okay, non null linked list I32. Oh, okay, this is of type, and it's gonna give me. It's gonna take the box and leak the node, and it's gonna give me a memory address basically. If I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong. And self dot next equals to sum dot pointer. Okay, if sum. Okay, I'm getting the pointer and using sum so that I can save it. Already assignment. We should do something else here. Okay. Notice that we did not define any unsafe blocks yet. Using raw pointers and box leak is perfectly safe. However, beware you may not drop the reference to its data, or else you'll incur a memory leak. We'll have to remember this when deleting this node. Okay, wait. Beware you may not drop the reference to its data, else you'll incur a memory leak. We'll have to remember this when we are deleting the node. Let's look into the else block. Let mute pointer box leak node into unsafe as mute self equals to self dot next. Ooh, fancy. Okay, that's fancy. Hey, how come you guys have this Prime Gaming and Rob? Even you have something like a cake logo on you. Do I get something like that? I don't understand, like cake and crown, and I'm just a camera guy. I get camera logo there. I want to get one. Okay, that's pretty insecure from the guy who's streaming right now. But yeah, let's see. Now else looks okay. Let mute not null linked list box linked list node into. So I'm taking in. Okay, okay. When you have Amazon Prime, you get that thing. Awesome. Ooh, I guess watching pirated movies doesn't get me crowd. I use pirated shit every now and then. Just a disclaimer. I don't like paying for stuff which I can build, and for content, I'm just a little bit on the gray area. I like watching movies, but I don't want to spend on it. That's it. Okay, let's say let mute equals to pointer and not null linked list and I32 and box leak node into. So I'm taking in pointer again. Okay, and I'm telling it like pointer as mutable next and self. Okay, self dot next. I don't understand. Wait, and the new node should be pointing towards the current head. Cool. Head is now the new pointer. Man, this shit is so simple in C++ and C. Notice the unsafe block here. We are calling pointer as mute, which is unsafe, as it dereferences a raw pointer, which in theory could be pointing to a garbage. Do notice something interesting, however. At some point in the program, we have two owners of the content of self.next. Yes, Okay, this is something to what we do in C. We take one empty node and we make it point to some node, while this node information is stored by another node, if I'm not wrong. Because when I want to move the cursor from here till here, I just want to store the address and entire thing in another node, temporary node. So that's the functionality of this, if I am not wrong. Okay, got it. This is exactly what we manage to do with unsafe block. Of course, once we call self.next and some pointer, we'll finish our job and end up in desired state. Fuck. Okay, building the loop left function. I don't want to build the loop left function. First, let me write this thing down. Let me see. So I have to go implement the entire push left. And I'll comment the damn thing out first. Yo. Okay. Oh, I brackets are okay. Great. Gray motherfucker. Okay. Let node equals to box new linked list and which is of I32. Bloody hell, I'm making too many typos today. Next, none. But values of some x some value and oh wait, just a level fuck, sexy on the curve. Did any of you hear that song? It's so awesome. Okay, I fucked up at this point. uh, uh okay, other way around. Awesome. Okay, consider returning the local bind self. I don't want to. Okay, if self dot next is none, this is something which is okay. Wait, let's see. Do we have something on it? Okay, next dot is none. Okay, I got something there. Self dot next, where do I point next? Yes. Hey, any of you used NeoVim, by the way? I just want to check with that. Let ptr pointer non null linked list of I32, okay, equals to box equal to bitch box leak the node and give me into. What the fuck is into? Let's see. Okay, into this is a conversion. Okay, this conversion is what the implementation of the code. Okay, fuck you, no. Fix me as mute. Okay, there is no proper documentation for it. Nice. Okay, wait. Don't run away, bitch. You don't run away. Okay. Leak is not something I'm familiar with, but yeah. Okay, leak into self dot next equals to sum dot ptr. Okay, I'm okay. Else our list already has an element, so we should do something else here. Fuck you, man. I'm using so many curse words that means I might not know what the fuck I'm writing right now. Pointer, let me mute a pointer which is of non-null type and which is having linked list inside it, which is e32, which is going to be equal to box, and we are going to leak the node, and we are going to into it so that we can get the pointer. And I'm going to use unsafe first here and say pt pointer dot as mutable, again y next equals to self. Okay, I'm mutating it here. Mute seems fine. And after this, self dot next equals to sum dot ptr. Okay. So wait, does it do the trick? If I uncomment collection now, does it solve the problem? Okay, wait, value on unknown field. Okay, no field value. Wait, cargo runway. Oh, sorry, cargo test. Okay, let mute pointer leak expected list i32 found something else. Ooh, baby boy. I guess I did a better job of copying this shit. Mismatch type. Imported. Oh, fucking hell. Every time, every goddamn time. Cargo test. Okay, wait. Let's see. Expected linked list i32 found nothing. Okay. Self.next is none. Where is this error coming from? On line 32. Okay, on pointer there is also one more error here in else case. Why the hell does this guy's code work? Does this code actually work? I'm not sure. Hey Rob, do you think this code actually works? The guy who wrote this article, I am not sure if this thing works anymore, because there are too many leaks here and too much shit going on. It might be a purely skill issue from my side, but not sure. Building a pop left function. First, let me get this shit done, dude. Or else let me just copy this damn thing and paste it. Copy pasting. Did I do some mistake? I'm not sure. If it runs right now, it's gonna be a skill issue from my side. Cargo test. Yep, nothing from me, bitch. Or else I can just do this. I'm just pasting in whatever he wrote right now, and I'm not sure if the code is gonna work again. Code is working. Okay, mismatch type expected struct linked list i32. Where? Mismatch t. Okay. I'm not sure, man. I don't think the code given by this guy actually works. Do you think, Rob, it's just my skill issue, or like the guy is actually fucking with me right now? Just need an answer, dude. I'm not sure. I'll just I just don't think man, this shit has too many loop arounds, or it might be just me too dumb to implement it. Yeah, let's see the guy. Let the man completely cook, and then I will get some clarity whether to discard this thing. Huh. This delimiter might not be properly closed. What do you mean? Okay. Hey. Okay, I guess this is just my skill issue. Wait. I don't think it's still my skill issue, but let's see what it is throwing right now. Okay, wait. List expected I32 but found. Yo, okay. Expected due to this link list and okay. Does this mean that it is expecting a I32? It is actually expecting I32. I never said it's gonna return something, but what's making it think it's gonna return something? New linked list value none. Okay, where am I getting this error now? Okay, wait. Line 58. Expected. Okay, found nothing. Push left one. This call modifies list in place. Oh, I guess this is the error. I used older conviction to call this one cargo test. If it passes right now, I'm fucking idiot. Fuck. The guy was actually good, and I was dumb. Where did I fuck up? Wait. Oh, he just okay. This is fine. So is as mutable fucking with us? Like I guess we removed the as mute and we removed the mutation part. Turns out that was actually required, but I don't know why. No, there is no mutable paths in this. Many mutable paths here. Let node equals a box new node I32. Okay, and I'm storing some next equals to none and some value in the value. And if self.next is none, and I'm letting pointer take over this thing, and I'm currently storing the pointer to the next inside this pointer, and I'm telling self.next equals to some pointer. Else, if self.next is none, if it has something, let mute pointer equals, I'm getting pointer again, and I am using unsafe saying that pointer as mutable dot next. Oh, I guess I forgot to give as mutable dot next. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm mutating the pointer's next location to self dot next. First self dot next as I32 and next pointer value self dot next, which is unsafe. Okay, self dot next equals some pointer. Okay, I'm storing the next value here and self dot next. Okay, cool. Rob, turns out I was wrong, dude. I was a dumbass, but yeah, the guy was actually right. So I can say, what is the time right now, by the way? Okay, wait, 1:24:19. Okay, after 1 hour of struggle and 1 hour 24 minutes. Step 3. I'm on step 3, deleting a tail. Let's see what this challenge will throw at us. Deleting something. Building the pop left function. We are deleting a tail basically. Let's see. Man, I didn't know that I was this dumb in Rust. Let's try to follow it properly. First, I need to write my unit test for it. But one thing from this entire experience, I came to know that unit tests are fun. Rob, do you unit test every single piece of your code? LINKD list pop left. Do you unit test regularly? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Not regular. I just asked it like, do you masturbate regularly? Sorry. But yeah, like some people would preferably test every corner of their code so that they feel safe about it. I'm not one of those people, but I'm trying to adapt that mindset. Let mute list, linked list, linked list. Fucking hell! Please stop importing. Look, linked list I32, and it's gonna be a linked list again. You know what? I'll just remember this part and I'll delete it once I'm done. Linked list, and it's gonna be I32 type and new. Okay, list dot push left 1. Not every part of on its own, but checking if multiple paths work together. Mostly I just use an example project for testing. Seems fair. Like I'm the kind of person who believes that like I will start unit test once I know I have something to work with. And if I don't have my core logic done, writing unit test seems stupid for me. And I just came up with an idea for my next stream. Push left. I want to benchmark the multi-threading capabilities of C++ and C# and JavaScript. I know JavaScript is shit, but I want to test it out too, and also Rust. So I'm thinking to do it in next stream. I mean, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, mostly. What do you think? That's gonna be a good idea, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Because it's just I want to see the threading capability of each language so that I know JavaScript is gonna be shit, but I wanna just dunk on it. Forgive me for being that, but yes. Okay. Where are you, baby? Okay, I just wrote my left things, and let's see. I assert equal, and I will say I'll write one function called x equals to list dot pop left, which is gonna give me some value, and I can say x dot unwrap and say it should be what, 3. And yeah, I don't need multiple checks. Pop left is none. I just need one check to do the trick for me. Okay, let's go implement pop functionality. Pub function pop left, if I'm not wrong, and it's gonna have a mutable self and xi32. I don't think it's gonna have a mutable Okay, I don't want this guy to fuck with me anymore, but let's see. So I wrote my unit test, list is empty, list has no, okay, we have to check three cases: list is empty, list has no elements, list has two or more elements. Let's start with first and easy one. Our list looks like this. Okay, so I just want to check if list is empty, and all I'm gonna get as input is mutable self, and the return type is optional i32, which is fine. Like i32, since I'm getting the address, I can just say option, because there might be not any. That's a case which I have to see. And I'm telling you, if self dot next is none, return none. Okay, if self dot next is none, okay, return what? Return none. That's fairly simple. And else will be a different case. Okay, what does else mean? Like, what is the second condition we are seeing? List as one element. So if self dot next is none, okay, this is one way to handle. And I don't want this guy to say multiple way. Okay, let mutable next equals self dot next dot unwrap. Let only one equals to bool unsafe next dot mute as next is none. This guy uses so many unsafe variables, it scares me right now. If this is one of my production code, production code which is having too many unsafes in it, I would definitely be worried about it. But not as much worried, because unsafe will screw up your program, but I guess it'll point it out to you when you're screwing up. Guess so, not sure. If only one equals to true, and pull the next element from the raw pointer and store it in the box, and so memory free can work correctly. Let next box equals to unsafe box dot raw point. Okay, from raw. So I'm just getting memory address next as pointer. Okay, let's see what the guy wants. Like, let mute dot next equals to self next dot unwrap. Let mutable next equals to self dot next dot unwrap. And what I have right now is just plain left, and let only one of type bool is equals to y unsafe. Yeah, I'm using unsafe again. Next dot as mutable, yes, dot next is none. So I'm taking next value, and next is none. Okay, I'm doing something like this. Next, sorry, value 1 node 2, and I'm telling like this is next to next is null. I guess this is what he is trying to do. Like, I'm pointing to next, that can be some value, but what I want to check is like, if there is only one element in entire list, I can just say this is head, which has no value, and I want to take next to next, it's null. That's something which I understood from C++ and C. So get what he means by that. So I am checking if the case is true. If only one is equals to true, I'll just say let next dot box equals to unsafely open it box from raw. Okay, I'm taking in a raw pointer and saying that next dot as pointer. Man, LSP is so good. and I'm telling now self dot next equals to none. So I'm just moving it one block ahead, and I'll say next dot box dot val. Okay, what is next dot box, by the way? Did I store next? Okay, next box. Let next dot box, let next dot box. Okay, I was supposed to use it. That goes out of scope. Next dot box. After this, I was supposed to get self dot next here, and I can say next. Since it's inside the scope, I can just say value, and I'm returning this part. And if the either cases doesn't work, okay, wait. So I'll have an else case inside this. Okay, that's dumb. I could have used if else cases, but why not? So the final implementation part which this guy came up with, list has two or more elements, then I can say list next dot next is unsafe, and okay, I'm just storing the next of next and saying let next dot box equals to safe, and I'm extracting next box, and self dot next equals to next of next, and I'm popping this element off. Okay, I'm stopping at this point. I'm just stopping at this point. I'm not popping the shit out, but I'm stopping at this point. I don't think this is a good way of storing, or like I guess the compiler will get rid of it. I'm not sure. Okay, wait, expected semicolon where? Okay, mismatched type option. Yeah, let me return it, bro. Next of next equals to unsafe, and I'll say in unsafe next as mutable. Give me the next value. Okay, and after this I'll just say let next box is nothing but unsafe, the same shit. I need the pointer to next box dot from raw pointer, give me next dot as pointer. I want a pointer from here, and I'll say self dot next equals to next of next. Self dot next equals to next of next. Yes, and return. I don't need to return it in that way. Next dot box dot value. I guess this should pass the second test case. Cargo test. Too many typos today. Okay, where did I fuck up? Okay, help remove mutable prefix. First, where did I screw up? Okay, wait. List mute list. Okay, new. Remove the mute in prefix. Okay. Expected one of the following. Mute list equals to I32, and expected one of the possible. Okay. Oh. Okay. I guess I screwed up something in the test case. Okay. There's an error here. Found it. Baby, run. Okay, fuck. Second one failed. What is the reason? Okay, left one is 4 and right one is 3. I popped one element off if I'm not wrong. I'm supposed to find. Okay, what did I do? Push 1, 2, 3. I pushed it, and after that, left dot pop left, and I'm popping the damn thing. And x dot unwrap gives me 4 instead of 3, which is not the case which I expected. Okay, you know what? I'll remove this thing. It'll be just one element. What will it do? I expect none. It's none. And true. If the first test case worked out, I fucking hate it. So left is false, and so it is not popping the element rightly. In my understanding, I guess the okay, return none, but it's doing its job. It is supposed to do its job now, because I'm sending in a mutable reference to self, and I'm telling self dot next is none. Print ln. So I guess if the first case is cargo test, first case is valid, it should pop till here. Okay, wait. Let's see. Where? Like, did it print? Did it print? Did it damn print? Okay, wait. Coming till here doesn't work. I guess if I need a main to run those kind of things, I can just. It'll just show me the result to my test, and after that it screws up, and I guess, yeah. So if I use main right now, which I can. Okay, wait. Let's make sure that function main, I can test the shit out there if I want to. Linked list, and I'll say list dot push left one, and list let x equals to list dot pop left. I will say the println C++ habit, which is questionable, and I want x here. If it returns 1, I'm bloody screwing it. Cargo run. I'm not running test right now. Okay, sum 1. Why is it returning 1? If self dot next is none. Okay, push left. Oh lord, where am I supposed to debug something like this now? Self dot next is none, return none. Self dot next is none. Why is it not none? If else, and inside that if else there is okay, what? Okay, so let's see properly. This is a second else condition, and the first one should be satisfied by this pop dot left. It's a public function. It has a mutable reference to itself, and it returns optional i32. Papiri. Okay, if self dot next is none, which it is. Why is it not throwing none? Not sure. Any idea? Any idea, Rob? Like where I'm screwing it up? I'm not sure, buddy. I'm fucking it somewhere, but I'm. Man, that's just wrong. I should correct my language every now and then. Yeah, kind of stuck. And I can build. Okay. Not sure. Robbie, brother. Let's see. Debugging is fun. Debugging is fun as long as I'm not lost. Sweet. Sweet. So next is like, is the pop left actually working? Why does it not throw any error? Because I'm not returning anything in end of the line. Is it something which I was supposed to do? Let's see. Yeah, collection is not my main agenda right now. Else, list has two or more elements. I could just modularize this both things in a if condition and place it outside, if I may. Uh, if wait, I can just you know I can take this out. Let's say let um if only. Okay. Uh, close, close. Get till here, and if is done, and I don't want else here because this will be my other logic. And yeah, remove this. Okay. Mismatch type. Mismatch type. Unit type. Okay. Found enum option. So true. Okay. If only. Yeah, this is the answer for what I am looking for. Mm-hmm. Tell me something, code. Where am I messing up? Okay. Okay, wait. I have undo tree, but still I'm lazy to use it. Okay. Cargo test. Okay, wait. Failed where? Left is false, right is true. Awesome. Cargo run, baby. Run. You're supposed to run like I am getting someone. You're supposed to run, I am getting someone. Okay. But if self dot next is none, which it is supposed to be, why are you pissing me off? Wait. What am I supposed to get? Wait. Did something is done here which I'm not aware of? Let's see. The first we need to do checks in our node if the okay function pop left self dot next is empty, return none. That couldn't be any more clear. I wrote that part. Let mute next equals to self dot under. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Let mute. I did that part. Did this guy screw with me? No, I don't think. Like, I can be wrong. Like, last time I thought this guy is screwing with me. Turns out I was screwing with myself. Okay, let's parse through our code once more and let's see, is there any chances that we've screwed completely? We screwed it completely. So pop function pop dot left, and if self dot next is none, yes, it is none. And I'm having a check function here, but it is supposed to return none. Awesome. And if that doesn't work out, what I am saying here is, like in else condition, let mutable next equals to self dot next dot unwrap, because if none is not true, so unwrap. Let only one equals to bool. And I'm saying in unsafe, check that if next as mutable next to next is none. If next to next is none, if it's true, then I can say let next box equals to unsafe. Next box equals to unsafe, and box dot from raw, I'm getting the next pointer as next and moving it, and self dot next equals to none. So I'm just returning one value, which is supposed to be this. Do I need to return it? Cargo test. Nope. Return, I don't know, it should help ideally. Cargo test, man. Bloody hell. Yep, failed again. Good, let's trace it back again. So from here, if 1 is equal to true, which it is, where is this thing dangling? Let's see. 0.1 run. Is it getting till 0.1? Yes, 0.1 is the point. It is touching. Yeah. 0.1, it is getting till 0.1. I am not sure. Is it getting till here? Print ln 0.2. Cargo run. It's getting till 0.2, then it's scary. Yes, it is getting till 0.2. So is none? Is it not none? Because as far as I remember, I am pushing it one. Oh, if fucking hell. I guess I was dumb. Yo, bloody hell, wait. List should be empty first, no? Now the unit test cases will pass. Will pass. Yes, we passed the fuck thing. And what did it pop then? Okay, if it's empty, it doesn't pop a shit. Okay, it'll just give me nothing is there. what if let list dot push left, I add in 1 and list dot push, hey, push left, I add in 2. What if I do this? Will you work? Yeah, failed because I don't want to check if it's none. I just want to check if it's assert value is true or not. It's supposed to be 1 x. Okay. Sum. Wait. What was the assert type? Damn it. Okay, unwrap. Sorry. I'm supposed to unwrap the optional x dot unwrap. Cargo test. Supposed to work. Fucked it up. Yeah, pop doesn't work. Assertion left equals right equals failed. Okay, left is 2 and right is, yeah. Where did it fail? Like, I don't understand the logic of it, but how is this guy helping me to pop out an element? Let's check the logic where this thing happens. List only has 1 elements, and then I'll tell list has multiple elements. Then I'll say next dot next is something. Like, where am I getting at this point? Let's see. We can just check let list dot push left 1. Okay. Yeah, cargo run. Okay, point 2, I'm touching point 2 and answer is 1. Okay, some value is 1. Like, what if I say 2? Run. How come, dude? Like, I'm taking in, okay, box out from next pointer as pointer, and next is none, and return next dot value. So the next dot next is null, just return the next. Okay, I'm popping out the value and giving the value to you. Okay, the guy went with a different approach. Instead of giving in the, he just gave the element which he popped. Suppose if I insert 1, 2 and 3, he's just taking out 3 and giving it to me as a return value, instead of giving me 2, which is supposed to be the last element. Okay, I'm not printing the last element of fucking hell. So what if I do this once more? I should get 1. Mutable. Okay, assigned to x is never read, and it is overwritten before reading, and it's a warning. Again, school. Cargo test should work. It should work. Yes, it works. My initial approach was wrong, which my way of thinking about this entire problem was wrong. That might be the case where I fucked up so bad. Man. Okay, we are done. I guess Robbie, you left, or you're still there, man? Like, I'm not sure, but I somehow made this work, but I'll reflect on it. Let me see the time right now. Yeah, man, you're Your loyalty sometimes just makes me fear whether I'm producing something good or not. And let's just say at 2 I made it. So yep. uh, as you can see, the linked list seems to be working fine, and my initial approach on how a pop works was wrong. Turns out like the return type was the element which was popped, returned variable was the element which was popped, and I kept thinking the return type will be a return value will be something which is one indexed before the pop. So my entire approach, or like the entire time waste, was because of this. Like 1 2 3 were the element pushed in, and when I said pop, I wanted 2 to be the return type, because 3 is not available, and I just want the nth index which is available as of now. But turns out the guy's function was supposed to return the element which was popped, and I wasted a lot of time, but seems like a valuable lesson to me. And yeah, like the people who watch us on YouTube, which is completely new to us, but I hope you guys learn something from my mistakes and try to be better at trust than me. And if you survive till now, I don't know what do they do in YouTube. Subscribe, I guess. Subscribe, like something like that. And my audio is fucked up again. I seriously hate my network after upgrading to the new plan. I seriously hate it. Okay, that's my cue for today, and I have put in a lot of effort. It doesn't seems like it, but like yeah. So thank you for showing up, and I really appreciate it. And also our new member, or may not be the member, Neil. Thank you, dude. And peace. I'm just waiting for Rob to say bye. I'm not leaving before you do. Ooh, fancy. Might get you redundant. Okay, peace up.